Hello, I show you today how to clear the annoying message service now on the Seat Altea car. It's very simple. All you need to do is first of all turn ignition on, locate this button, and you have to push this button and hold it and turn ignition on. Release. You see the service now message, and you have to turn this clockwise. And release. That's all. Now we can check. Turn ignition off. Wait a little bit. Try to turn ignition on again. And here we go. No more message. You can do it yourself. Thanks for watching.